Hi everyone, welcome to Anas Academy. This is the new laptop video Asus ZenBook 17 review. So don't waste the time, let's go to the video.
Asus teased the ZenBook 17 Fold OLED UX9702 at the beginning of this year, but now at IFA it made it official. So what is the ZenBook 17 Fold OLED? It's a hybrid device based around a folding 17.3-inch 2560x1920px OLED display of 4:3 aspect when fully opened and 500 nits of brightness. When fully unfolded, it can stand on its own kickstand and work as a monitor, a nice combination for office work, combined with the Bluetooth keyboard. The ZenBook 17 Fold OLED can also be folded at 120 degrees and used with the Bluetooth keyboard, a way to still enjoy its 17.3-inch display in full, or by making the bottom half of the display act as a virtual keyboard. Finally, the ZenBook 17 Fold OLED can be used as a conventional laptop with a magnetically attachable physical keyboard and only half of its display at 12.5-inch and 1920x1280px. And if you just fancy a tablet, the ZenBook 17 Fold OLED can be used in the hand, though at 17.3 inches it is a bit big. The ZenBook 17 Fold OLED runs on Windows 11 and is powered by Intel's i7-1250U processor with 16GB of LPDDR5 RAM. This is Intel's 12th Gen hybrid architecture with 2 performance cores and 8 efficiency cores. Graphics are handled by Intel's Iris Xe. There's a 1TB M2 NVMe PCIe 4.0 SSD, the latest and fastest storage around.
So this is the short video. If you enjoy the video, so don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.